Ready to level up your camping game? In today's video, we're showcasing 10 of the coolest outdoor camping gadgets that will make your adventures even more exciting. From portable power stations to innovative gear, these products are designed to make your time in nature easier and more enjoyable. And like always, all the links to the products are in the description below. So, let's dive right in and explore these amazing gadgets. Transform any space into a cinema with the Nebula Capsule 3 laser projector, the ultimate portable projector for home or outdoor adventures. Grab and go, and play anywhere with its Laser Forge image engine, delivering 1.8 times brighter visuals in stunning 1080p clarity. Enjoy 2.5 hours of entertainment or 10 hours of music with its built-in battery and hi-fi Dolby Digital Plus sound. Access over 700,000 plus content choices and control it effortlessly with Google Assistant. Compact, pocket-sized, and laser bright, the Nebula Capsule 3 laser is your portable ticket to massive entertainment, anytime, anywhere. Imagine turning the darkest night into crystal clear vision with the Tentsla X1 True 4K Vision Night Vision binoculars. The Deep Vision Explorer Nightstorm X1 lets you uncover the deepest shadows of night in crystal clear 4K with unmatched infrared power. It's no ordinary device. 52 million pixels capture every detail with military-grade precision, from distant trees to the tiniest movements. A 42mm focal length ensures exceptional long-distance clarity, while a 13-degree field of view gives a broader perspective. Whether on land or underwater, the Nightstorm X1 excels, functioning up to 100 meters below the surface. 4 viewing modes adjust to match the darkness, offering absolute clarity from dusk to pitch black. With an IP65 water and dust-resistant design, it pushes past the limits of exploration. Powered by a 5,000 mAh battery for up to 18 hours of use, and featuring a close-set viewfinder, it's built for comfort, precision, and performance. Ready for your next great adventure. 01 Pump, the ultimate 5-in-1 companion for your outdoor adventures. Designed for portability, this ultralight device weighs just 100 grams, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Its powerful inflation capability delivers up to 4.5 kPa air pressure and 300 liters per minute airflow, perfect for quickly setting up inflatables. The 01 Pump has a strong motor that efficiently extracts air, saving up to 70% of package space for vacuum storage. Its mini size and 5 interchangeable nozzles make it versatile and durable with drop-resistant construction. More than just a pump, it doubles as a power bank with magnetic absorption for added convenience. The camping light feature offers 300 lumens of brightness with 3 light color options and even includes a blow-up fire effect for ambiance. In emergencies, the SOS light mode ensures you're always prepared. Compact yet feature-packed, the 01 Pump redefines outdoor versatility. Transform your outdoor experience with Mars Player 1, the ultimate all-in-one camping gear designed for convenience, durability, and comfort. Setting up is a breeze. Just open, adjust the stands, secure it to the ground, unfold the modules, and extend the feet. Now your outdoor kitchen is ready. Powered by RedX far infrared technology, the One generates long-wave infrared rays for quick heating with less energy consumption. Perfect for mobile power, RVs, or electric cars. With 4 heating modules, you can make coffee, boil water, and enjoy a hot drink anytime. The expandable panels include a stew module for larger coverage and a cooling module for ice-cold drinks. Plus, the grill module offers high and low temp zones. Eco-friendly and efficient, the One also includes an emergency toolkit with a compass, flashlight, and hammer functionality. In colder weather, it transforms into a radiant heater, ensuring warmth even in windy conditions. Equipped with headlamps, an SOS buzzer, mosquito repellent, and laser positioning, Mars Player 1 ensures you stay safe and comfortable on your adventure. Let's go glamping with Mars Players. Stay connected, no matter where your adventures take you with the Garmin InReach Messenger Plus. The compact SOS satellite communicator, designed for extreme outdoor lifestyles. Exchange voice messages up to 30 seconds and send text messages of up to 1,600 characters, keeping you connected even without cell service. In emergencies, trigger an interactive SOS to the Garmin Response Center for immediate assistance. Plan and track your journey with the Garmin Explore app, which also helps you navigate back to your starting point with track-back navigation. Built to endure the elements, this device is water-resistant, temperature-resistant, and provides up to 25 days of battery life in tracking mode. Garmin InReach Messenger Plus, your ultimate companion for staying connected and safe on any adventure. Light up your adventures with the OUTASK telescopic and rechargeable portable light, crafted with aviation-grade aluminum and a honeycomb pattern for strength and style. Telescopic and collapsible, it's always ready when you are. Say goodbye to headlamps that attract mosquitoes to your face. OUTASK follows you like a mobile street lamp, lighting the way for your team. Transform it into a flashlight for wilderness exploration or a camp light with its one-click tripod setup and extendable pole. Its integrated design features an overhead light, eliminating the need for hanging. Switch seamlessly between cool and warm light modes for any activity. With 720-degree rotation, it adapts from the wilderness to your dining table. Powered by a 12,000 mAh battery, it provides true full lighting while charging your phone quickly. 6 neodymium magnets keep it firmly attached to your car or even a boat. Compact yet powerful, it outperforms larger devices, transforming any space into your private paradise for a memorable night. Power your adventures with the Anker SOLIX C1000 portable power station, the ultimate solution for home backup, outdoor camping, and power outages. With ultra-fast recharging, achieve 1,056 watt-hours in just 58 minutes, giving you full power to last. It delivers 1,800 watts of continuous power and a 2,400 watt max surge output with surge pad technology, capable of powering 99% of appliances. Harness the sun's energy with full solar recharge in just 1.8 hours and up to 600 watts of solar input. Its unibody design ensures it's ready for any situation. Double the capacity for extra long runtime, and ambient light always illuminates your setup. Featuring long-lasting LFP battery technology, it supports 3,000 cycles, lasting 6 times longer than conventional batteries. Expect up to 10 years of reliable power, making it the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures and power needs. Revolutionize your Tesla camping experience with the Tentsla X1, the ultimate glamping solution, perfectly compatible with Tesla vehicles. Designed for simplicity, it's easy to assemble and weather-resistant, providing shade and warmth. Using just an air pump, it sets up quickly, making it ideal for luxurious outdoor living. While Tesla's Camp Mode offers optimized AC and temperature control for car living, the Tentsla X1 extends your Tesla into a tent, letting you enjoy the outdoors while making the most of Camp Mode. Featuring 2 connection doors, 1 standard wall, and a tunnel with Velcro, it attaches seamlessly to your Tesla's trunk. Crafted by a skilled team using aviation-grade fabric, the Tentsla X1 offers triple-layer protection, reflecting heat and providing water resistance up to 3,000 millimeters. Whether under Florida sun or Yosemite winters, its tunnel design circulates AC directly into the tent, creating a cozy space for friends and family. Elevate your outdoor gatherings with the FireCan Deluxe portable propane fire pit and grill by Ignic. Designed for versatility, switch effortlessly between grill mode to just grill and chill, or fire pit mode for the ultimate campfire vibe. Compact and portable, it's easy to pack and take anywhere, setting up in seconds with foldable legs and a quick-release propane hose. The easy-to-remove lid and grease tray keep cleanup simple, while the snap-in grill grate and removable grill insert ensure smooth transitions between grilling and warming. Stay fueled, fed, and fried up wherever your adventures take you with the FireCan Deluxe, the perfect companion for campsites, tailgates, and beyond. Unlock the adventurer in you with the Path 24 modular, interchangeable coin-sized compass, a precision tool built for those who love the wilderness. Its interchangeable design features 2 modular bases, a keychain, and a wrist strap, giving you ultimate versatility on the go. Navigate with precision using dual cores, air-filled for high altitudes, or liquid-filled for varied landscapes, ensuring accuracy wherever you roam. Compact and portable, this coin-sized marvel lightens your gear while delivering full navigational capabilities. Crafted from grade 5 titanium or solid brass, it's IPX8 waterproof and built to endure rain, shine, dust, or mud. Whether it's on your keyring or wrist, the Path 24 compass combines rugged durability with sleek style, making every journey an adventure. Thanks for watching, adventurers. We hope these amazing outdoor camping gadgets inspire your next trip into the wild. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more cool gear reviews. If you've got any questions or need more info, all the product links are in the description below. Until next time, happy camping and stay wild.